There is more on how Ambiq is going further to enable endpoint AI. AI is one of the hottest pursuits these days. Most consumers probably aren't aware of how it's enhancing our everyday lives. Many of recent smartphones from major manufacturers are already capable of running AI applications. Calculations for AI inferencing are power hungry, which is why AI these days is still being confined to devices that are either constantly plugged in or have big enough battery to store power necessary for all operations. The next frontier for AI implementation is a world of Internet of Things, where the growth of battery-powered IoT devices at the endpoint is forecasted to almost triple from 9 billion in 2020 to tens of billions in 2030. As IoT devices are used in all types of industry verticals and consumer markets, the most important use case for IoT devices is in the consumer segment. More than 1 billion IoT devices by 2030 is connected vehicles, IT infrastructure, asset tracking and monitoring, and smart grid. Therefore, how to enable AI inferencing on battery-powered endpoint devices has become the #1 goal among semiconductor companies. With speed of technology innovation, AI at the endpoint will deliver ever more capable and promising solutions to enrich our everyday lives.